Hi guys, Alex here from BreathingCold, offering some practical tips to help you go through the days of the pandemic. Today I want to talk about something that I call terminal day. I didn't make it up, research it, it's something that is out there. But I thought, since all the airplanes are landed and the airports are closed, terminal day would be something quite interesting to talk about. So here is the fundamental idea. Some of us think this is getting bad and I could die in this. And the numbers of people who think that they could die from the coronavirus is actually quite high. So that's not necessarily a bad thing, okay? As long as your mindset uses that thought in order to do positive things, that's okay. So the idea of terminal day is the following. What if today was the last day of your life? What if you were to die tonight? How would you spend the day? Would you waste it in negative thoughts, in, complaining and whinging about what's going on in the world or with your neighbor? No, you would make the most of today. Every conversation will be very meaningful. Every encounter will be a very important one. You will cherish these moments, knowing that they are the last ones. So I invite you to have a terminal day, maybe once a week. Once a week, spend it as if it was your last day. How would you spend it? How present will you be in your encounter with your kids, with your friends, with your partner, with everybody that surrounds you? In a previous video, I talked about the idea of taking a day off, completely offline, off. Just open a book, no online, nothing online. Maybe another day you could be spending having a terminal day. Already 2 days out of 7 already well occupied with things that will help you become more present. Because at the end of the day, that's all that matters, is how present you are with the situation. This could be a blessing in disguise. It's just about your mindset. It's just about how you see things. And as soon as you will shift from having a positive attitude towards the situation, everything else will shift in your life. So I hope this helps you. It's got a great content going on, a lot of great speakers coming. Check out BreathingCold Bali on Instagram, on Facebook. I post a lot of events. Look it up, and I hope you have a great everyone. Maybe a terminal day. Bye.